Inflammation, the body's natural response to injury or infection, is a crucial part of the immune system's defense mechanism. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. While many factors contribute to inflammation, including genetics and environmental factors, diet plays a significant role. Certain foods have been shown to trigger inflammation in the body, and understanding these dietary culprits is essential for maintaining optimal health. One category of foods notorious for promoting inflammation is refined carbohydrates. These include staples of the modern diet such as white bread, pastries, and sugary snacks. Refined carbohydrates are processed grains that have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients during manufacturing. As a result, they cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to increased production of inflammatory molecules. Studies have linked high intake of refined carbohydrates to conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease, all of which are associated with chronic inflammation. Another group of inflammatory foods that have become ubiquitous in modern diets is fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, and other deep-fried delicacies are popular choices, but they come with a hefty dose of trans fats and inflammatory compounds. The process of deep-frying foods at high temperatures generates harmful compounds such as advanced glycation end products, AGEs, and acrylamide, which promote inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, the oils used for frying, such as vegetable oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, can disrupt the delicate balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats, further exacerbating inflammation. Sugar-sweetened beverages, including soda and various fruit juices, are significant contributors to inflammation due to their high sugar content. Consuming excess sugar leads to a spike in blood glucose levels, triggering the release of inflammatory cytokines and increasing oxidative stress. Furthermore, fructose, a type of sugar commonly found in sweetened beverages, has been linked to insulin resistance and metabolic dysfunction, both of which are associated with chronic inflammation and various health conditions. Red meat and processed meat are also notorious for their inflammatory properties. Burgers, steaks, hot dogs, and sausages are staples of the Western diet but are often high in saturated fats, cholesterol, and preservatives. These compounds can trigger inflammation by promoting the production of inflammatory cytokines and free radicals. Moreover, the cooking methods used for preparing red and processed meats, such as grilling and smoking, can generate carcinogenic compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, further increasing the risk of inflammation and cancer. Margarine, shortening, and lard are common sources of trans fats, which are industrially produced fats that have been hydrogenated to improve shelf life and texture. However, trans fats have been strongly linked to inflammation, heart disease, and other adverse health outcomes. They not only increase levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, but also promote systemic inflammation by activating immune cells and upregulating inflammatory pathways. Despite efforts to reduce trans fat consumption through labeling and regulations, they still lurk in many processed foods, posing a significant threat to public health. While these inflammatory foods are prevalent in the modern diet, making healthier choices can help mitigate their harmful effects on inflammation and overall health. Opting for whole grains instead of refined carbohydrates, such as whole wheat bread and quinoa, can provide essential nutrients and fiber while stabilizing blood sugar levels. Choosing lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and legumes over red and processed meats can reduce saturated fat intake and lower inflammation. Replacing sugary beverages with water, herbal teas, or unsweetened alternatives like sparkling water with a splash of citrus can help cut down on added sugars and reduce inflammation. Additionally, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into the diet can help counteract the inflammatory effects of unhealthy foods. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that support immune function and combat inflammation at the cellular level. In conclusion, while inflammation is a natural and necessary part of the body's immune response, chronic inflammation fueled by a diet high in inflammatory foods can lead to a myriad of health problems. And make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. By making conscious choices to limit these inflammatory foods and prioritize a diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods, individuals can help reduce inflammation and support their overall health and well-being.